Mga kaibigan, just to continue our topic, especially that while we are waiting, because the heavy downpour was happening in our EOR right now because of the low pressure in our EOR, which is the area of responsibility here in Davao del Norte. So we experienced for a lot of lightning and also and many others, especially the thunderstorms, and also right now the heavy downpour was happening as of this time, mga kaibigan. So we have a lot of topic to be answered, especially the questions to reiterate from me, especially asking for an radio operator. Mga kaibigan, for being my experience as a radio operator of Tagum City Police Stations for almost 1 year, which is 11 months and how many days, no, mga kaibigan, for being a radio operator, mga kaibigan, you need to be an abrupt in decision making, because if you are sitting down to operate for 24 hours for that matter, mga kaibigan, you need to have an abrupt in decision making if you are put it into which is the decision to be responded or not, no, especially when the call from the citizens or the private citizens from the community. So we need to follow a certain roles, especially in the roles of dispatching. So everything out there, you need to man and to guide the patrollers, the foot patrollers, the motor cops, the mobile patrollers, especially here in the city of Tagum, consisting of 23 barangays, mga kaibigan. So that's why we have 2 hotline numbers in Tagum City Police Stations, which to accommodate and to address the concern of the citizens in the community, the needs of the community. So that's why we have a lots of answering calls, the minimum of 500 to 1,000 calls a day. So that's why, mga kaibigan, to become a radio operator is not easy. The mental stress and the emotional stress in your selves, mga kaibigan, as a radio operator. That is my experience. But we need to handle and to manage our stress and the temper and the patience out there to be operate in the smooth line of applications for that programs, mga kaibigan, to cater all the calls from the community to be responded as a radio operator to dispatch the mobiles, patrollers, to respond in any incidents that would happen in our EOR within our jurisdictions here in the country, especially here in the Tagum City Police Stations. So that's why Davao del Norte is one of the most performing radio operator here in the Davao regions, mga kaibigan. So that's why your questions about the acceptance of a radio operator is not easy. You need to have a lot of studies and strategies while you are performing and implementing that kinds of dispatching in the orders of dispatching, mga kaibigan. So thank you so much.